man. I use the plan. Count down from the 1, 2, 3 and let me know what I want.
You want to do it, man?
Yeah. Facebook people. Yeah, today's February. Today what, February the 14th?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Today, 21.
The 21 of February. Yeah, plastic welding. Saint Mary me there. Then I said to you, and I weld me a weld a tank. Yeah, plastic welding now. You know? Hope someday you guys call me for work, you know? Yeah, see? Now, this is what's happening. This is what's happening.
Okay.
You know? I'm putting on the cover. You realize, you see what's going on. You got to know how much to apply, how much to take off of this thing here, you know? Yeah, you have to know how much to apply and how much to take off. Or else you will burn the plastic. You literally burn the plastic, and when you burn the plastic, you damage the whole material. My name is Arunda Greenwood. 287-2268. I have a YouTube channel. You can hit me up there too. See what's happening? You let them see what's happening over here. So. Come around this side. I'm not gonna actually see what's happening. Let them see the. Hmm?
Right, in the slim.
A kiss.
Yeah,
That is what I wanted to do. I wanted to kiss. You know what I said to you? Right. Come someday for work. That's what you guys need to do. Stop throwing away the tank them. They have many use. And they're getting very expensive. So if I were you, I wouldn't throw it away. I'd call somebody who has a little sense to them. Not very much, but just a little, you know? With some people, they need a lot. Likewise, me, I'm a chemist in the field. See? You're gonna block the area. Yeah, so the thing about it is, make a lot of people know about me worldwide. Maybe we can get someone call me over there to do some work for them. That is required plastic welding. You never know. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. Mhm. See? That's it. Yeah, yeah. Evening. So evening. A whole heap of things are going on there. This area right now, so I'm trying to get it smooth now. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So we got to apply your money. I have to know how much eating I put on. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
And I don't want to burn the
That's
actual
it.
material. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the end of it.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't damage the material. Right.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, man.